Koch brings the Rambam in Hilchos Brachos Per Gimel. Ketzat he had failed Mereves could go in lefes a kruv shabishla ve'erboy kemach shel echad mechamishes aminim kadei ladab kayanim v'roichel abreiman mazonis. It's a big question people always have, that if flour is mixed into something else, do you make a mazonis, you make a shahakal or adam or whatever it is? And so if the examples he gave of different vegetables that like cabbage and so forth, that if they were cooked with some flour mixed into it that's from the 5 species that you would make hamotzi or mazonos on, the whole reason is kadei ladabkoi. It's not because you want to eat the grain, but rather it's just to hold it together. Then you don't say the bremen and mazonos because the vegetable is the main food, so you make hadama, and that you mix in a little bit of flour, that's only secondary. So the examples of things that are secondary, that even though it's a more chashuv of bracha, that what would be the examples that would make it secondary? If it's to just hold it together, or it's to give it a nice smell or a color, that is secondary. Because the main thing with everything, with kashrus and a lot of things, is the flavor. So if it makes it ikr, that makes, and then lefichach min dvash mevash l'noisen v'noisen behen chayta kadei l'dabek v'oisen mehen min mesika enu v'rechol avrei min mezoinus menesha dvash hua ikr. Of honey, even though you might include some sort of grains in it, some wheat germ or something to hold it together, it's still shahakol, because the main thing is the honey and not the mezonah. So the big example of this would be something that people might not be aware is totally chametz, is a lot of licorice, Twizzlers and things. That's something that you find very easily, that's OU parv, that you can buy anywhere. If you're looking for a snack that's parv, that's kosher. So the Twizzlers, so some people mistakenly believe that Twizzlers are mezonahs because some people mistakenly believe that the licorice is, but no, we see here that because it has wheat in it, so it's definitely chametz, but it's shahakol. You make a shahakol on the Twizzlers, because the whole point of it's not to impart a flavor, it's just to hold it together. We don't have a minion, so you certainly don't make a motzi on it, because it doesn't have tzuras pas. No, but you don't make hamotzi on it, and we just learned that this was the example of the Rambam. Part of flavor.